In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a special offer on Patreon. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to write, and how to set your timing so your offer runs smoothly and looks great to your members. Start on your Creator Profiles main page. Look for the Page Controls button, the one with 3 dots, and click it to open your page editor. This is where you'll manage everything about your public-facing page and where you'll set up your offer. At the top of the editor, select the Offers link. This dedicated area keeps all your time-limited promos organized so you can set them up confidently and revisit details later if you need to. Now it's time to define the offer. Begin with a short, descriptive title. Keep it under 30 characters so it displays cleanly across devices. Pair that with a clear, enticing summary of the benefit. Aim for language that highlights the value and urgency, like what patrons get and why it's available for a limited time. Next, choose the benefit type. You can offer something tangible like custom stickers, something digital like a download, or an experience such as a virtual concert. Think about your audience and what's easiest for you to deliver reliably. Digital perks are instant and don't require shipping, while physical perks can feel extra special but need a bit more planning. Set your schedule by selecting a start and end date. Special offers can't run for more than 60 days, so pick a window that creates urgency without feeling rushed. Double-check your time zone and consider giving yourself a short buffer before the start time to finalize any last-minute copy or images. Choose which tiers are eligible. When you select a tier, Patreon automatically includes all higher-priced tiers. This prevents members from downgrading to access the same offer at a lower price. If you're unsure where to start, match the offer to the tier that best reflects its value, and remember that higher tiers will be covered automatically. If your offer includes a physical item, enable shipping by checking the shipping address box. This prompts patrons to provide delivery information when the offer goes live, which helps you avoid follow-up messages and ensures accurate fulfillment. When everything looks right, click Schedule Offer. Once your offer is active, a lightning bolt icon will appear on your tier descriptions. That visual cue tells patrons there's a limited time perk available, helping drive attention and signups while the clock is ticking. And that's it. You've set up a special offer on Patreon confidently and correctly.